Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Jerry from Bigelow Woodcraft, and I've been talking about these slabs for quite some time. I'm going to get started on them today. I'm not going to get through them. I got quite a bit here, but you saw my video about these IBC totes. I got 3 of them here. I've never used these before. I'm going to play around with these. This stuff I like to use for my cabins, my little deer blinds and those propane barrels you've seen that I use for wood stoves. But I'm going to try to cut them in 16 inches. I don't have a marker or even a tape measure. I can eyeball them pretty close. And I'm going to get these stacked up. So I've never used them. I'm just going to see how it goes. I know a lot of you guys use these things, and I'd like to get one filled up and even see if my tractor will pick it up. It should pick them up. I think Mike Morgan talks about a 300-gallon one, or I think the 300 gallons. These are 275. The 300-gallon ones hold a cord, or a third of a cord, or a face cord, or a rick. These are 275 gallons, so just a little bit less. But let's see what happens. I have the steel 441 chainsaw out here. I have the log splitter ready to go. This log splitter, I've had this thing probably 20 years. I put a lot of wood to it. I've seen some of you guys' Wolf Ridges. I've seen some of your all wood splitters, Easton made splitters, some of those kinetic splitters. This won't keep up with any of those, but it does the job, and we'll go from there. I need, regular size firewood, so these will come good. There's a mixture of wood in here. There's, let's see, what do we have here? We have cherry, I believe. We have some oak, we have some poplar, and some pine. So I'm going to get after it, guys. Stick around. I'm not going to be out here too long today because I'm canning. I have some stuff in the pressure cooker right now. I got it set at 10 pounds. Hopefully everything stays there. Canning potatoes. This always starts right up. Okay. Catch my breath. I smell fuel. What's going on? What time is it? I gotta go in at 12:30. 12:19. I don't know if I'm gonna get it running. I'm gonna go back to cutting then. And I'll haul this in the garage and get working on this. I need to make a better system here. This is just a pain in the butt. You know, that sawbuck I had worked pretty good, but this would have overwhelmed that sawbuck. I just haven't been out here cutting it up. So I'm gonna go check out my canning process, bring that splitter in, get that running, fix the chainsaw, chains fell off, top it off with fuel, and get back out here. Oh, today's Sunday too. There's some football games on. Detroit Lions. I know. Yeah, it's been a struggle. Never seen them win in my entire life. Almost 57 years old. I think their last championship was 1957 or 58. Never been a Super Bowl. One playoff win in all those years. Hope you guys can feel for us because, at least the Detroit Tigers have won. So, all right, in I go. Just got a few of my chores done. I've got some potatoes in the canner right now in the pressure cooker. They're cooling down, so we're just letting them go. I watched some of the Lions game. They're beating the Minnesota Vikings 28-7, amazingly. 5-7 Lions against 10-2 Vikings. I just removed the carb off of this and gave it a good thorough cleaning. I didn't clamp the hoses back on. I just noticed that. I just pushed the hose on. It'll work. I think we're set to go. Let's see. So, oh, my balance is not good today. My knees hurt. Now the question is, can I pick this up with my tractor? I'll be right back. Boy, my camera's crooked. Sorry about that. I gotta be able to pick this up. Yes. Hey guys, that will do it. The Mahindra 1533 was able to pick it up, but I would not be able to pick up a 330 gallon tote. I think I need to cut these a little shorter. That's going to be sticking up a long ways. And I did cut some of them on an angle, so it'd be like a roof line on it to shed snow and water. But this is my first experience with IBC Totes, guys. Let me know what you're doing. Give me some criticism, constructive criticism here. What would you do differently? I know one thing, I need a different wood processing system. I need some roller conveyors, gravity conveyors, or something along the lines of that to slide down. 2 people too, so that would really help too. My wife is out of town. Oh, see, yeah, that. I'll have to cut that. I'm gonna cut that shorter, and then I'll zip tie them on. So, guys, thanks for coming along. Again, let me know what you'd do. How many of you are using these IBC totes? I think it's going to work out great. This isn't for heating my house. This is for heating my little cabins. So, all right, guys, have a great day. We'll see you at the mill or the lumber yard or out at the garage or who knows. We'll see you next time, though. Take care. Okay. I need to lengthen this fence. My garden goes behind there. My battery's just about to die.